In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be covering eversion of the ankle, but isometrically. This is one of the most commonly prescribed exercises for those going through ankle rehabs after ankle injury, and I'm going to cover every single aspect of this and make it as straightforward as possible to follow. So firstly, we've got two words there. We've got eversion and isometric. So eversion and ankle eversion means, and I want you to look at my right foot here, means to bring the ankle away from the midline of the body. So here's my midline, I'm bringing the ankle the opposing way into eversion. Now, isometric, when we talk about muscles, means to create a muscular contraction, but without any movement. So how can we do ankle eversion whilst getting a muscular contraction, but not changing the length of the muscle? Well, this is where a wall comes in. So I'm in a seated position here. I bring the chair right up against the wall, and I've got my foot in contact here with the wall. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to imagine the wall's not there, and I'm going to come into ankle eversion. Now, you're not going to see anything on the camera, because as I'm pushing this way, I'm just going to be pushing into the wall. However, that's exactly what this exercise is. So all you're going to do is you're going to start to push into the wall. Try and keep your foot down as you do it. Try not to kind of bring the inner arch up. Keep your foot on the floor. You're going to press in, and you're going to do this for your prescribed amount of sets and seconds. So you might, for example, have a prescription where you're doing repetitions, where you do 3 or 4 reps of 5 seconds. It might just be a straight hold where you do an amount of seconds and then you're done. And of course, if you're doing this for just generally trying to strengthen up your eversion, you would do this on both sides as well. I think when people are doing ankle rehabilitation, it's really important to actually do it on both sides anyway, so you can assess the power of the side that's not injured, because ultimately the injured side, you want to get back up to that same power. That's how to do eversion of the ankle isometrically.